everyone, my name is Emily Plajer. I'm an IFBB Bikini Pro and also an Evolution Nutrition sponsored athlete, and I'm about to head to the gym shortly to go train quads with my coach. We train legs twice a week. Usually towards the beginning of the week we do quads and then hamstrings, so today happened to be quads, and I'm going to share that workout with you. As a bikini pro and as a taller girl, there's definitely always room for improvement to build more muscle on my lower half. So that's what we're doing this improvement season. So follow along. Thank you again for following along. I hope you enjoyed it. Definitely try out this workout. You can find me on Instagram at Emily_Plajer.